Welcome to Pew Class. In Pew Class, we talk about PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos, you will be among the first to be notified. Thank you. We want to look at how we can insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. Thank you. So we want to look at how to insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word environment. So let's say you want to insert a symbol or special character. All you need to do is to open the document you want to insert it in, then you go to insert this insert tab here, click on the insert tab. Once you click on the insert tab, it will bring out all the subset of the tab. So you go right to the right, you see symbol, you click on the drop down menu. Once you click on the drop down symbol, you see more symbols. These are the common symbols. You see more symbols, click on more symbols. Once you click on more symbols, you're going to see different symbols. So you have the font, which have different font style, but it's preferable normal text has a particular font style. Each font style has its own subset. So if you click on urgency, you can see the way it looks. So if you depending on the font, if you click on Arial Black, you see the way it looks. If you click on Arial Rounded, you see that it changes the appearance of it. Click on this, it changes the appearance. So depending on the font style you pick, but sometimes it's better you stick with the normal one, because elephant does not give you, or Algeria and elephants that don't give you all the looks this way. You can see the same. So if you like it, you can still use it though. So let's use the normal text now. So you can see the subsets. You have basic Latin, you have other subsets in here. So but basically once you open your document, you're going to see the basic Latin will start. So once you scroll down, if you scroll down, the basic Latin changes to Latin supplement, and so on and so forth. If you continue scrolling down, it changes to Latin extended. So you don't really need to come to this place to check it. You can just keep on scrolling down to get the symbol you're looking for. Now if you want to put the symbol, let's say you want to put the hashtag symbol, all you need to do is to click on the hashtag symbol and click on what insert. So it's going to be inserted in your document, or just simply double click on it. Let's say you want to add art, just double click on art, you're going to see it in your document. So any symbol you're interested, you want the dollar sign, you click on dollar sign. So you scroll down, you see different signs. You want fraction, click on fraction, you click on insert. So any symbol you want this, click on it, click on insert. So you keep on scrolling down. Once you keep on scrolling down, you search for the symbol you're looking for, and you're definitely going to see the symbol you're looking for. You're looking for the symbol, you double click on it, and you're going to get the symbol. So this is basically how to insert symbols in your Microsoft Word document. So it's either you double click on the symbol you're interested in, or you click on the symbol, then you click on what insert. After that, you click on what close. Now once you click on close, I want to talk about how to insert special characters. Same thing, you go to the insert tab, remember insert tab. So you scroll to the right of the insert tab and the subset of the insert tab, click on symbols. Under symbols, click on more symbols. So let's say you want to add a copyright symbol, you want to copyright special character, you want to write a trademark, you want to add registered, or so many other ones. Click, so you can see this is symbols. So you're going to go to characters and click on characters. You can see end dash, you can see a non-breaking hyphen, you can see copyright symbol. The shortcut is shortcut key is Alt plus Control plus C. So if you don't want to go through the process of insert and symbol, you go through the shortcut method, which is the Alt plus Control plus C. So if you want the copyright symbol, you just click on the copyright symbol and click on what insert. So you can see that. All right, and also if you want trademark symbol, you can double click on trademark symbol. The shortcut is what Alt plus Control plus T. So it's just Alt plus Control plus the beginning of the letter of the particular one you're looking for. If you want registered, Alt plus Control plus R. So you double click on the trademark symbol, you're going to get it. Double click on section, you're still going to get the section symbol. So this is how you can insert the special characters and the symbols in your Microsoft Word document. So once you are done doing that, you just close the dialog box so that it can be shown alone in your document. Close it. Once you've closed it, you can see that these are the special characters and these are the symbols, and these are the special characters we inserted. So this is basically how to insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word documents. Thank you.